The abstract modifier is used to declare classes and class members that are incomplete and must be implemented in derived classes. An abstract class cannot be instantiated on its own and serves as a base for other classes. If a class contains any abstract members, it must be marked as abstract. Abstract methods, properties, or indexers do not include a body, they only define a signature. Any class that derives from an abstract class must provide an implementation for all inherited abstract members, unless it is also declared as abstract. The abstract modifier is useful when a base class defines a common structure but leaves specific details for subclasses to implement.